Hi, so I have been wondering how, I have not found a good video on how to sublimate onto 651 white Oracal. So this is just a piece of 651. I have my sublimation. I'm just going to place it on. And I already have some heat tape on here to hold it down. So I did a little bit of research. I've not found exactly what I wanted to know, so I'm doing a test. I found about 350 for 25 seconds at medium firm pressure. So here I go. I actually have it a little bit lower. I have it at 345 for 21 seconds. I'm going to try that first. So I have it at about medium pressure right now. The last time I tried this, the whole thing melted. So I think I was just doing it for way too long. So now I'm just doing it for about 21 seconds at 340. I'm just going to give it a little peek. Okay, so just like any other vinyl, kind of have to let it cool for a minute because it's starting to peel up the vinyl. It's still too hot. Oh, it definitely subbed. And maybe if I just cool it for a minute, it'll peel better. Okay, feels pretty cool now. Yay! That definitely worked. So here's this was the original sublimation. This is on my transfer paper. This is subbed on Oracal 655. I'm sorry, Oracal 651. And this is the transfer that I pressed. So it did pretty well. It's not as vibrant as if I did it on 100% poly, maybe if I did it a little bit longer, but I'm still testing it to figure out how to do it. But I have not found a straight YouTube video of subbing onto 651, at least that I could find. So here you go. So really quick, just to review. Transfer onto 651, tape it down, medium to firm pressure. A good starting point, I was 350 for 25 seconds, but my press runs a little hot, so I did it at 345 for 21 seconds. If I do it again, I might actually try it at 350 for 25 to get maybe a bit of a deeper color, like this print. All right, sorry, like this print. So I hope this helped anybody that wants to print on 651. And let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you subscribe. And I love hearing from you all. So thanks everybody for commenting on my videos and sending me questions. I love to interact with you. All right, have a great day.